Take 3. Today we're going to try to install cable on an English Bell grandfather clock that I'm repairing. There's a system to know exactly how long you put the cable in. The first thing you do is you install the knot inside the cable. Now, on an English Bell, there's a little hole right here, and the cable goes through that slot, and you kind of finagle it and get that cable to come out through that hole. Then you tie a knot and you tighten it up. Now you slowly wrap this cable around the drum 100% until that drum is full, and you can't put any more cable on the drum. And when that drum is full, then you figure out about maybe 10 inches and you cut it off. So now I have the first cable length figured. So I take another length of cable. Excuse me, it fell. And I figure a knot is going to be about there, and I lengthen it out till I get the exact same length. And then I cut it off. It's always good to have a really good set of cutters so that you can cut a cable like this. By the way, these are Milwaukee's. Very good cutters. I have like 4 pair scattered throughout the shop. So now, you take this cable and you put a little twist on it like this. And I have a dental. This is a dental pick, the thing the dentist really screws you with. And I put a little hook on it. So now you take that and you put it through the hole in the barrel. And if it doesn't go, you got to work at it. Then you twist it around till the end just starts to show. Then you take your dental hook. I'm going to study on this for a second. Take your dental hook, pull that baby out of there like it was a... Oh my goodness, didn't come. Of course, this isn't easy. That's why nobody does it. Here it comes. Not easy. There it comes. Came right through the hole. There it is. Came right through the hole. Now you pull it out and you tie a knot. Just a big knot. And you pull that down tight. Now you grab that with a pair of pliers and you yank on it. And you yank on it. Then you cut off the excess. Then you pull it back through the hole. Now if you have to, you take some sort of a tool and push it through there, and that's how you put a new cable on an English Bell.